We've got some rain and snow showers to track. There aren't very many, but they are out there. So unlike yesterday where we could keep it, just cold rain and drizzle, today, since we're colder, we're getting a little bit of both. But a little bit really is the way we're going here. This isn't a lot. We will see a better chance overnight for just straight up snow showers as it gets colder. And that will be entirely something else that we may have to deal with that we'll get into. But at least for the short term this morning and then into the afternoon, that's pretty much what we have. A few more rain to snow showers into our southeastern counties. And then the broad view, you can see that moisture on the move as well across southern Ohio, getting out into West Virginia. So we've got a departing low, we have an approaching high, and we're caught in between the two. So it's keeping the wind funneled out of the northwest. It's keeping us that hint of moisture around and that possibility of a stray rain or snow shower out there. So we'll see that today. Don't anticipate any impacts beyond just a really dreary and raw day. But tonight, as it gets colder and we drop down below freezing and eventually bottom out the mid-20s for overnight lows, this is our window late this afternoon, but especially this evening and early tomorrow morning, where we may have enough and robust enough scattered snow showers to put down some minor to light accumulation. You can see it continuing to track east into early tomorrow morning and then rapidly diminishing tomorrow as the winds shift and we finally dry out. We could probably, I think, even expect some sunshine late in the day tomorrow. And fairly quiet weather the remainder of the work week, maybe a few rain showers out there. But since we'll see these snow showers tonight, we'll see minor to light accumulation, minor to a few tenths of an inch for a lot of us, but maybe upwards of a half an inch to an inch, especially in our eastern mountain counties. Yeah, not much, but potentially enough to maybe even give us a slick morning commute. Now we turn our attention to what could be an active weekend. This is Saturday into Sunday. I talked about this yesterday, where you see these wind lines converging. That's the surface low down along the Gulf Coast. Typically, whenever you see a wave of low pressure tracking through and you've got cold enough air to talk about snow, you're going to see that band of heavier snow displaced hundreds of miles to the northwest of the surface low. And that's what we're seeing here. So a lot of how this plays out over the weekend, Saturday night into Sunday, depends on the track of that low. And right now it's down across the Gulf Coast and heading towards, Jacksonville, north of Jacksonville. If you remember yesterday, it was closer to Charleston. So the whole storm track has shifted a little farther south. If that happens, that southern track continues to shift south. That band of snow will shift south. But at this point, it looks like we'll see rain over to snow, possibly Saturday night into Sunday. And this one will be more robust than the little piddly stuff we're going to be dealing with today. And then that light stuff overnight. 36 degrees. It's cold out there. We definitely have that in play. And as far as temperatures go, your 8-day storm tracker forecast shows we are mired in the 30s today. We're going to be around the mid to upper 30s, so temperatures don't budge much from where we are now. And you can see a few rain to snow showers out there, and then that chance for some light snow overnight and maybe some minor to light accumulation. Mid-30s, some lingering spotty snow showers Wednesday, a few rain showers Thursday, and then you get into what could be that potentially wet to wintry weekend mess. As we get closer to the weekend, of course, we'll refine the details for you. Stay with us. Sunrise. Be right back.